Travel vlogs are an excellent way to share your adventures with the world. The good news is you don't need expensive equipment to start. You can create high-quality travel vlogs using just your smartphone. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to create stunning travel vlogs that capture your journey and captivate your audience. Plan your story. Before you start filming, plan out the story you want to tell. Think about the key locations, activities, and moments you want to capture. A well-structured narrative will make your vlog more engaging. Use the right camera settings. Set your smartphone camera to the highest resolution available, 1080p or 4K, to ensure your footage is crisp and clear. Enable grid lines to help you frame your shots according to the rule of thirds for more balanced compositions. Capture a variety of shots. Film a mix of wide shots, close-ups, and different angles to add visual interest. Use slow motion for dramatic scenes and time-lapse for long sequences like sunsets. Remember to capture ambient sounds to make your vlog more immersive. Stabilize your shots. Avoid shaky footage by using a smartphone gimbal or a tripod. If you don't have one, you can stabilize your shots by holding your phone with both hands or leaning against a solid surface while filming. Edit your footage. Use mobile editing apps like iMovie, KineMaster, or Adobe Premiere Rush to edit your vlog directly on your smartphone. Cut unnecessary footage, add transitions, and include background music or voiceovers to enhance your story. Incorporate B-roll. B-roll footage, such as scenic views, local foods, and cultural activities, can add depth to your vlog. Use these clips to break up the main narrative and provide context to your travels. Add text and graphics. Use text overlays to introduce locations or provide additional information. You can also add maps, weather updates, or other graphics to make your vlog more informative and visually appealing. Optimize for social media. If you plan to share your vlog on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok, consider filming in vertical mode or cropping your footage to fit those formats. Add hashtags and captions to increase discoverability. Upload and share. Once you've edited your vlog, upload it to YouTube or your preferred platform. Write a compelling title and description, and use an eye-catching thumbnail to attract viewers. Share your vlog on social media to reach a wider audience. Creating a travel vlog with your smartphone is all about capturing your experiences in an authentic and visually engaging way. By following these steps, you can produce professional quality vlogs that showcase your travels and connect with your audience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to CyberTheo for more content creation tips.